iron core. We provide heavy-duty transformer-based power inverters with massive surge capacity, long life, and real-world industrial engineering designed to weather the fiercest storms. Raw power, proven durability, overbuilt by design, underpriced by intent.
The grid starts to crash. Paper thin promises, the winds begin to lash. Storm clouds roll in, hear the breakers cry. When the weak go silent, we don't ask why. Copper in the windings, iron by design, built to endure it every single time. While the world goes fragile, cracks at the seams, there's a heartbeat humming behind the scenes. When the night falls hard and the current dies, there's a force that never bends, never hides. Iron core, standing in the blackout. Iron core, when the lights go out, unstoppable power night and day. While everything fails, it stays awake. Built to survive 24/7, keeping hope alive. When the grid goes down, we rise once more, powered by the heart of iron core. Cheap designs crumble under the load. Plastic promises overload. But forged in iron, grounded in truth, this is power that was built for you. No sirens screaming, no fear inside. Just a steady pulse, you can trust your life.
Because of its advanced toroidal transformer design, our iron core inverters offer a much longer and far safer service life. Our 10 kW model offers a massive 30,000 watt surge capacity. And all of our low-frequency inverters provide galvanic isolation to protect your appliances from the damage that can be caused by inferior high-frequency designs. These advantages are derived from a fifth-generation military-grade, high-reliability form factor and advanced high-efficiency MPPT charge controller technology, heavy-duty MOSFETs with oversized heat sinks, wave-soldered surface mount components throughout, and most importantly, massive toroidal iron core copper wound output transformers for a much higher surge capacity.